Hi, in this video I will be showing you how you can download Active HDL Student Edition for free. Active HDL is a useful tool for SDL simulation, either you are using VHDL or Verilog SDL or other hardware description language. This is a small but powerful tool and covers all your basic SDL simulation needs. This one video will be enough from registering for the product to download the application and setting it up on your machine, include installation process. So let's start. Active SDL application owned by ALDEC. So we need to navigate to aldec.com webpage. So simply type www.aldec.com in the URL of your web browser. Now you will see the page something like this. Now navigate to the Products tab from the top panel. Then look for the product Active HDL and click on the application or simply click on the Products tab. Now you will see the Active HDL page like this. If you click on the Products button in the last screen, then first select the Active HDL application here under FPGA simulation. Now you have one option to choose, free evaluation here, but we are not looking for the free evaluation. We are looking for student edition of Active HDL. So to get the Active HDL student edition, you need to use alternate URL, which is FPGA_simulation/active_HDL_student. I will copy both the web links in the description so you can use them or copy paste them directly. Now this page says Active HDL Student Edition. Now you will see the free download option just next to it. So click on free download. Once you click on free download, you will see this registration page for your product. Now it's time to fill your basic details. You will need to fill your email ID, your first name, your last name, your university name, your address, city zip code, country, and your phone number. These details are mandated to fill. So once you fill all these details, now it's time to register for your product. So simply click on register. And this is the next screen after you register. This is the confirmation page saying thank you for registering to download Active HDL Student Edition software. A download link is being sent to your email address you provided. Now check your email ID which you have given. You should expect an email from ALDEC University program with the download link. This email would look something like this. And this includes your Active HDL Student Edition means setup.exe link. So simply click on this link or copy and paste this link in the URL of your web browser. Note that this link is only valid for 24 hours. So you need to complete your download within 24 hours of your registration. So check for the internet bandwidth, etc. This application would be nearly 550 MB in size. Not a huge setup in terms of size, but consider it would be taking longer than normal despite you have a very good internet bandwidth. Maybe because of limited bandwidth at source, could be possible. But for me, it took nearly 1 hour. Okay, so once you open the link, you would be asked to complete simple CAPTCHA or verify that I am not a robot CAPTCHA. Now click on submit button. Once you click on submit, you will see this notification which says download will start soon. And here you go. My download of Active HDL free student edition setup is started. Now relax and wait for download to complete. So this is the download file. Name is Active HDL SE2022 main setup.exe. and this has size of 537 MB. Next step is the installation of application and set it up on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or any other Windows operating system you would be using. So let's move to the installation process. Okay, now it's time to install our application. So this is our setup, that is 537 MB in size. So right click on the setup and click on run as administrator. Now it is opening. So this is our welcome page. Click on next. Now this is your end user agreement, so accept it and click on next. Here give some username and your company name. This is your installation folder location. Click on next. Leave this default. Click on next. Leave them default too. Click on next. So this is brief summary. Simply click on next. So now the installation is being started. It may take little time, so I will fast forward the video. Meantime, it is installing. Please consider to subscribe to Learn and Grow community. Installation is about to complete now. Just the final steps is pending. Okay, so it's all done. Now just click on finish. Now let's see if it is installed properly and if it is opening. So search for Active HDL. Okay, so we can see Active HDL Student Edition. Okay, some basic warning for end user agreement and for the using condition. So if you agree, then click on OK. Now the Active HDL Student Edition is opening. Just wait for a while, it is just opening. Here you go. So this is our main window. You can start working on your Active HDL now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for regular updates.